morning, friends, and happy Thursday. I have had a rough couple of days. I've actually got a small little cold going on, hence the reason why I'm running to Target. Is hence the right word for that? I don't know. Anyway, nonetheless, I'm running to Target. And I'm getting some more Kleenex because Brian and I have used up, seriously, like the 4 boxes of tissue that we've had in the house. And I am going to Target to pick up some more tissue because he and I both have serious little colds going on here. Stuffy noses, runny noses, scratchy throats, a little itchy, a little bit of a cough going on. It's pretty brutal. He brought it back from Illinois, so I'm blaming Illinois for all that mess and garbage. However, I was at the happiest place on earth last weekend, and it's usually the most germ-infested place on earth. So even though I'm very careful about what, like, touching things or whatever, it's still kind of impossible. But I still try to like elbow things or, you know, whatever. But nonetheless, yes, so we have a little bit of a cold. And then last Saturday, Brian bought some, what is that stuff called? Airborne. And he started taking it. He did not seem to have any reaction to it whatsoever. Then I'm like, well, I stopped at Walgreens like 2 days ago. And this was on Tuesday. So yeah, I stopped up at Walgreens on Tuesday to pick up some cold medicine, some NyQuil, some DECOR, all that good stuff. And then I picked up some that airborne stuff for me. So I picked up the little vitamin C gummies, the orange ones. And I took one as soon as I got in the car, so that was about 11:30. And then around 3:30, 4 o'clock, I took another one. And it says do not to exceed 3 in a day. So I was gonna wait till about 9 o'clock Tuesday night to take my third one. Well, Brian came home from work, we sat down, we had some dinner. I made like breakfast for dinner that night. We sat down, had dinner. We're watching a movie, and about 6:30 or so, my stomach just like went into knots. Like I was like, what in the heck is happening to my stomach? Keeled over, cramping so bad, and then I started vomiting, like violently vomiting. It was like the Exorcist vomit. It was horrible. So I did that for about 4 hours Tuesday night, and then after I was finished, I felt a lot better, but still I was like low on energy. I had like 0 energy. Obviously it was 10:30 at night, so I was like in bed. But all day yesterday, I just kind of laid down on the couch. I was lethargic. I had 0 energy. I didn't feel like eating. It was just horrible. So I drank water and my Bai off and on all day yesterday. No sickness whatsoever. So I had a little bit of dinner last night and I've been feeling fine, but now of course I have this cold. But anyway, I think I had a very serious allergic reaction to that airborne stuff. And obviously I didn't exceed what it said not to exceed, but I was reading up on it last night about side effects from that stuff, and it basically said that you could have abdominal cramping and severe vomiting. So I wouldn't have thought anything of it had I not been sick, because that was just the weirdest thing. And our meal, Brian and I had the same thing for dinner that night, so I knew it wasn't food poisoning. It could have been, you know, possible, but unlikely because he didn't get sick. So anywho, long story short, I threw my airbornes out this morning. I threw those suckers out. And I was like debating if I should take them back, but I wasn't gonna do that because, I mean, they were $16 for the whole bottle. And that's a lot of money for some vitamins. But I am not going to be taking those anymore, and as a matter of fact, Brian's not going to be taking them anymore either, because on the side effects, or it says do not take if you are taking heart medication, and Brian is taking heart medication every day. So it says do not take if you are on heart medications. So he is not allowed to take them anymore either. So needless to say, the airbornes gave me a very bad reaction, and I will no longer be taking airborne. So I'm just gonna highly suggest that anybody who takes that stuff, that you just read the label, understand the side effects, and yeah, I just take them with caution, of course, and then consult with your physician as well. But yeah, so I decided not to take them anymore. So, and since I haven't taken, like, I didn't take any yesterday because I was like trying to see what made me sick, and I didn't take them yesterday. I was fine all day. I mean, except for like feeling tired and no energy. But anywho, and I just did not have time for all of that. I have guests coming 1 week from tomorrow. 1 week from tomorrow, I have guests coming. So I'm just like, come on, I don't have time for all this stuff. So right now, though, I am going to Target to get Kleenexes, and I already said all that. So because I'm repeating myself, I will probably go. I just wanted to fill you guys in on how I'm feeling and update you guys a little bit on what happened to me and why I got real sick. And I also wanted to just let you guys know that all of my videos are up and edited from Disney. There really wasn't that many, obviously, because I was only there for like a day and a half, and I didn't film anything after after my room tour. I just kind of like strolled around myself and just enjoyed the time for myself, and just wanted to soak it all in before I filmed the next day. So I just filmed all day Friday and shared that stuff with you guys. So I think there's 2 videos from that day. It's just my all day video, and then from Mickey's Not So Scary. So there's 2, I squeezed out 2 videos from that one day. So, and then I did not film on the way home that Saturday. So, but yeah, so there you have it, guys. Everything is up and edited and ready for you guys to watch. I also posted 2 videos up over on Adventures in Wonderland, which are my room tours of the guest house at Graceland and the Pop Century Resort room tour at Disney last weekend. So yeah, have it on over there and watch those videos. And then I'm gonna run into Target, and then I also, we already know I'm going to Target, I don't know why I said that. But anyway, I also want to let you guys know that I'm gonna put this video up, and then after this video I will have my sequence of Disney videos up, plus the haul from Disney as well. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Right now though, I'm gonna get ready to park my car and go into Target, and I'll share, hopefully, let's say, cross my fingers, if Target's not like a crazy mess inside of here, like there's people everywhere, I will gladly share stuff with you guys. But usually it's packed full of people, or the last couple times that I've come, it's packed full of people, and it's just like, I don't feel like vlogging when there's a bunch of people around. But hopefully today it won't be. So yeah, I'm babbling. I will go. Bye. Alrighty, so I'm in Target, and I wanted to get Reese Witherspoon's book. It's actually $24.50 here. I didn't realize that it was a cookbook, y'all. It's got recipes in here. I did not know that. Hostess tips. I love all that. There's like a recipe in here I saw. There's hot spinach artichoke dip. Oh, very interesting. I actually like that. I don't know, I might get that, because I really, really wanted it. So I think I'll get that. And there's cute, like, Halloween stuff. They have cute Halloween things in here. I don't know what these people are doing. Super cute. What is that? Oh, it lights up. Can you see that it lit up? How cute. I like that. I'm not getting anything, just so you guys know. They have cute stuff though. Very cute. I don't even see any spiders. Like when I need spiders, I can't find them. And when I don't need them, they're gonna be like all over the place. No spiders here. Okay, no spiders in this little section either. They've just got all kinds of weird things. What are these? Oh, these look little notepads, notebooks. That's cute for like parties and stuff. Teeth, eyeballs, mustaches. pencils, cute. That's a cute little display full of different pumpkins. Very cute. And over here, they've got more pumpkins. These are always fun. What does this say?
Happy Halloween!
I thought these were cute too. I played with those last time we were here. Oh, what is this new thing? This is try me.
I gotta be honest, this wasn't what I was thinking.
Oh.
My mom.
All right. So here's like a whole section of like spiders and spider webs, but no bags of spiders. What is up with that? That little guy's a little bit creepy. That's a big old spider. I don't want those. And then this aisle is all like skeleton stuff. Again, spooky guy still here. Skeleton stuff. No. Alrighty guys, so I am back from Target and I thought I'd go ahead and share with you guys a few of the things that I picked up. Please pay no attention to my kitchen sink area. I have been sick for the past couple of days and I had no energy to do anything yesterday, so I neglected my home and my kitchen duties yesterday. But feeling better, so I'm gonna get started on this in a few minutes and then I'm gonna have some lunch. But first, I was gonna show you guys what I picked up at Target. Alrighty, so first things first, I picked up one more of these because this is all they had there. It's one of those porcelain pumpkins. This was in the dollar spot, that was $3. And I picked up 3 more of these ones. They were also in the dollar spot, $3. I think this one was $5. I think, yep, $5 for that one. So I picked up that. And then I did get the Reese Witherspoon book, which I'm very, very excited about. I'm excited to just kind of scroll and look through this thing. Everything looks amazing. I'm hoping to try some of her recipes in here. So I'm excited about that. I love it. So pretty. And then I picked up some M&Ms to sit around in like our little jar, our little bowls and stuff throughout the house. I picked up one of these cute little houses again. This one is at the dollar spot. This was also $3. It's super cute. I think I'm going to put these along with this inside of my dining room, on my dining room table. And then I picked up 2 of these. The other one is right there, ready to go to the laundry room. But I picked up this one and then the other one. So now we have 8 boxes of tissue. Let's see how fast we go through that. I picked up some Nivea lip. All right, because I am out in a couple of areas around my house, so I always have to have this around me. I picked up this cute cardigan. This is such a pretty cardigan. I love the floral print on it. It's long sleeves, black with the floral print. Absolutely love it. I thought it would look really cute with a striped shirt, like the one I have on, underneath it, over it. So it'd be pretty. I picked up some of these because I was out. I picked up more of this because I was out. You guys know how much I love my blow dry it spray. I picked up some baby oil, and then I picked up 2 of these 6-packs of ginger ale. I would just like to have ginger ale on hand. And then for like a little snack, I picked up a twin pack of Slim Jims. So that is what I picked up at Target today. Now I've got to get busy with my house. I have guests coming next week, so I've got to get busy with my house, so that's what I'm going to do. But first, I think I'm gonna have some lunch, and then I'm gonna start cleaning up the kitchen. So that is what I'm going to do first. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so I cleaned up my kitchen. Let's get some better lighting here. So I cleaned up my kitchen. It looks so nice. I have my dishwasher full, and then I had to wash a few dishes right there. So I washed a few dishes, and now I'm in my room. I just threw some laundry in the washing machine, pulled some laundry out. I'm folding up and hanging up some clothes. These clothes are Brian's. I have to get 2 more hangers and put hangers on these for him. And he actually goes and hangs up his own clothes because he has a certain place where he likes to put like certain clothes. So like these are workout shirts, so he'll use these, or he'll hang these in a certain place, and then just like regular t-shirts, he'll hang in a certain place. So I just put hangers on them, and then he puts them where he wants them. And then these are some of my clothes that I have to put hangers on and hang up. And then, yeah, I'm coming right along here with some of my stuff. My closet is a complete nightmare. I will spare you guys what it looks like. So just picture a closet with clothes on the floor, and that's what my closet looks like. Yeah, not everything's always perfect and organized in my world, not always. Especially in my closet, because I had was packing and trying to pick through clothes, and like I would throw stuff down and like hang it back up, throw it back down again. So yeah, that's my life in my closet. It's a nightmare, yes. So basically what I'm gonna do now though is end the vlog. That way I can try to get this up and edited for tomorrow. I know it's early and I know it's a short vlog, but I have a lot of stuff to do. I just wanted to touch base with you guys, say hello, let you guys know that I'm still alive, let you know that I haven't forgotten about you, and I appreciate you guys so very much. And I will see you guys probably next week. You guys have about 4, let's see, I don't know, 3 or 4 little videos to hold you guys over until next week. So until then, I will see you then. Take care. And yeah, bye.